Om Namah Shivaya. So today we will understand how to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayamam. Most of the yoga practitioners do not practice this. Teachers also do not practice. You need lot of mental power to practice this technique. As a yoga teacher, I know the reason. It's in the beginning, it is a boring pranayama. So that is the reason yoga teachers, if they teach this technique to people who are joining today, they feel boring. Hence, never begin with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. We know as a yoga teacher, it's a very powerful technique. It is also called Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Some institutions call Nadi Shuddhi, some call Nadi Shodhana. Means nervous cleansing technique. Now, mostly, we inhale and exhale through both nostrils, but always one nostril dominates. Either this is called Surya Nadi, this is called Chandra Nadi. So when you observe, right now my right nostril is dominating. But in Nadi Shodhana, what we do, with a little more effort, we inhale through one nostril at a time. Not only that, we inhale through one nostril, we exhale through the other nostril, and we continue the cycles. We will inhale through left nostril, exhale through right, inhale through right, exhale through left, and like that it continuously, the technique continuously, we breathe in and breathe out. Now, remember, anybody you want to practice Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, please know all the rules and regulations. Like if you are going in a traffic, you should know every rule what to be followed in while driving. If you don't know some rules, it's risky. Here there is no risky. As a yoga teacher, these videos we are making for yoga teachers. As a yoga teacher, you must know, you must practice. Hence what I request, listen this video multiple times, you practice multiple times, and then teach to students. Yep. So let us start the technique. So multiple rules. First rule is the students have to sit in keeping spine straight, mandatory for any pranayama technique. So hence, keep spine straight. See, I am sitting on a small pillow. Without pillow, she is sitting entirely on the pillow. But look at her spine so straight. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, left hand in Chin Mudra. Index finger, thumb, tips gentle touch. Other 3 fingers straight. Not stretching back, not bending like this. About mudras in our mudras chapter, you can find out more details about the Chin Mudra. Now let us focus on pranayama technique. What is pranayama? We control the breath. Pranayama means controlling the breath or regulating the breath. See, naturally it is happening, inhalation, exhalation, without your support is happening. But here, we take some effort, inhale through one, exhale through one. Yeah? So first rule is this one, second rule is spine straight. Third rule, we use Nasikagra Mudra, wherein index finger and middle finger tips, we keep it between eyebrow center. Exactly eyebrow center. And we use the thumb and ring finger for closing the nostrils. So right now, remember, so the position is ready to start the pranayama. So before starting the Nadi Shodhana technique, inhale through both nostrils, exhale, empty your lungs. While empty, close the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril, fill the lungs, close the left, exhale through right nostril. Empty. Once you empty, inhale through right nostril. Close the right nostril, exhale through the left nostril. Keep doing. So what she is doing, she is inhaling through left, exhaling through right, and then inhaling through right, exhaling through the left. Keeping index, middle finger between eyebrows. And she is filling her lungs completely. Many people, they just breathe. The breath is here only. You feel your chest completely expanding, your abdominal area. So completely you inhale, inhale, inhale. Once you feel you cannot feel anymore, then start exhaling. And while exhaling, empty, completely exhale, and then inhalation starts. So if you inhale properly, exhalation becomes effective. If you empty completely, your inhalation becomes very effective. And if you watch right now, she's 100% filling her lungs. And the next rule is, eyes must be closed. You should not see here and there. She has closed eyes before I tell the rules. The next rule is, there should not be so much sound. Yeah, relax, Amma. Now, I said there should not be any sound. I have seen some teachers while practicing, they will do like this. I'm getting so irritated in the nose. Don't damage the nose. No sound. And another thing, remember, you don't need to break your bone. What I'm saying? You don't do exercise with nose. What is that you have to do? Cameraman is laughing, she is laughing. What is that you have to do? You have to close the nostril. You don't need to break it. Just gentle press here, nose blocks. Completely blocked. So inhale through left. And then close the other nostril, exhale through right. Simple. Nobody should hear what you are doing. As slow as possible, there should not be any sound. Yeah, and the last rule is, you take a sankalpaha. Another thing, you don't need to do like this. Your hand will pain. Keep it elbow touching the rib cage only. It is so easy. You can do prolonged time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can practice. Now recently somebody said, sir, you always explain with right hand. I am a left-hander, what to do? Do it with left hand. No problem. You use one hand, watch whichever hand is. Here the activity is for nose, not for the hands. The last rule is, when you are inhaling, make sure your exhalation time and inhalation time is same. Example, if you are counting number mentally, 1, 2, 3, 4, means inhalation. Exhalation also you make it 4. That means the flow of the in-breath and the flow of the out-breath should be same. This is the preliminary, the beginning Nadi Shodhana technique. So the inflow speed, outflow speed is same. The time, inhalation time and exhalation time is same. And round to round there is no one round, means inhale, close, exhale, inhale right, close, exhale left. This is called one round. So between round to round there is no breaks. It is a continuously you do this technique. Yeah. Now remember, in case you want to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, what is recommended is, take a sankalpa. How many rounds you want to do? 9 rounds example. Please do 9 rounds and then stop. Your willpower will increase. Many people, they take a sankalpa, they give up in between because it is boring to begin with. Remember, Advanced yogis, they do only Nadi Shodhana. More and more Nadi Shodhana. Whenever they get a time, they do Nadi Shodhana. Before meditation, highly recommended technique. You want to become a great meditator, you have to practice this technique. Purify the nervous system. Not only that, the purification is happening at the same time, your mind will be pushed to automatically to meditative state. Without much effort, you will fall into meditation. Now, when to do? Before meditation you can practice, after meditation you can practice. Whenever you have a free time, please practice. You become more and more peaceful person in life. Your willpower will increase. Yeah? So what we will do, I will give a counting. So with the counting, she will do it now. We will do 9 rounds, like practice session. Are you ready? Vaishnavi, she is our senior trainer. So left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Nashikagra Mudra. Come on, start. So inhale both nostrils and exhale. Now close the right nostril. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the nostril, left nostril. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Now inhale through the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the right nostril. Exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now continue. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue that rhythm. Mentally do the counting and continue the breathing. Alternative nostril breathing. This technique is called alternative in English, because alternatively we are using one nostril for inhalation, for exhalation we are using other nostril. Continuously do. Your spine becomes strong because constantly with an effort you are keeping spine straight. Yeah, keep practicing. Your face becomes glowing if you do more time this one, because toxins will be flushed out. Cleansing techniques. See, toxins, if they are coming out of the breath, your pimples will come down. You become, the aura will increase. Your aura, the aura of the human increases if you practice daily Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Very good. After this round, you can release. So in the beginning, you are starting with the left nostril inhalation. Finally, exhale through the left nostril and then release the palm. Take couple of breaths with both nostrils and do not open eyes suddenly, because you have done this technique. Slowly, as if you are opening first time, slowly, gradually you can open your eyes. Yeah, so my kind request to future yoga warriors, yoga teachers, understand this technique, practice this technique and teach to your student. Remember, this technique anyone can practice. Anyone means not a person who is holding, who is having cold, severe cold. With cold, what you can do? You cannot do this one. So once your cold is normal, you do this one. Cold people who are suffering with severe running nose, you cannot do this one. Any person with any disease, they can practice. Heart patients, it is a blessing for them. If they practice Nadi Shodhana daily, their BP will come down over a period of time. People mental strength will increase if they practice this. They will take better decisions in life. Their anger level comes down. Yeah. Remember when to practice. I said it is good to practice in the morning time. However, you can practice evening time also. When you eat food fully, in India we have some people have bad habit, they fully eat this one. They fill the stomach too much. Please do not practice immediately after lunch. Let that stomach empty. When you feel like empty stomach is not full, then practice. Just 5 to 10 minutes. If you are working professionals, sitting in chair you practice. There is no necessary that you have to sit on floor like this. Sit in chair, only thing, try to keep spine straight and practice. Yeah, if you become a peaceful person, you become very peaceful person with this technique. In 2-3 days, you can start seeing changes. Yeah, if you become a peaceful person, your children will be lucky to have a happy father or happy, peaceful mother. If you are peaceful and children happy, what else you need in life? Yeah, please practice. Om Namah Shivaya.